name is Khoury, and I'm the SAT verbal instructor here at Hale. At Hale, our mission has always been very clear: to help students just like you unlock their full potential when it comes to the SAT. And I will be helping you when it comes to grammar, reading, and other aspects of the verbal part of the SAT exam. Hi, welcome to today's English demo lesson. Today, we're going to be learning about the semicolon. Now, for the purposes of the SAT, there are three usages of the semicolon you need to be aware of, okay? We're only gonna do one today. So, on the SAT, if you forget everything, just remember this. I see, semicolon, I see, okay? You need an independent clause before your semicolon and an independent clause after it, okay? Make sure you do not capitalize after the semicolon. All right? Now, you may be wondering, what is an independent clause? That's a great question. The easiest way to think about an independent clause is, if you pull it out of the part of the sentence that it's in, it can be a simple sentence on its own. Okay? So, for example, let's take an example to bring this to life. Yeah? So, let's say we write quality people are hard to find, semicolon, I have few friends, right? So, I'm sure you see why these are independent clauses, right? If you take quality people are hard to find and you put a full stop, right, a period after it, right, it makes sense. And if you take I have few friends, right, and put a period after that, on its own, it would still make sense. So whenever you get the semicolon in this usage, always check before and after, okay? Make sure you have an independent clause before it and an independent clause after it. Today, we're gonna look at two verbs that are extremely confused. Lie and lay, okay? Just so we're clear, I'm not talking about lie as in don't lie to me, right? Tell me the truth. That lie is conjugated as lie, lied, lied. Okay? If you're confused as to why the verb has three parts, almost every verb, except for modal verbs, have three principal parts. Remember? Go, went, gone, right? Take, took, taken. Three principal parts. Okay? These verbs are no exception, sort of. Let's take a look. Alright? So again, we're not talking about lie, lied, lied. We're talking about lie as in to repose, right? When you tell someone, relax, lie down, right? And we're talking about lay, that basically means, or the closest synonym to it, is to put, right? Lay down your arms, put down your weapons. Okay? Now, let's see how we conjugate these. Lie is conjugated as lie, lay, oops. See the trouble? See the potential confusion? The simple past of lie and the infinitive of lay is, well, lay. So, easily confused. Anyway, lie is lie, lay, lain. And lay is lay, laid, laid. So, if you ever encounter these two verbs, lie and lay, obviously, your first line of defense should be, does the writer mean to rest, to repose, or does the writer mean to put? That's your first line of defense. Your second line of defense is to remember, okay, that lie is an intransitive verb and lay is a transitive verb. Now, what does that mean? A transitive verb like lay is a verb that must take a direct object. It does not make sense without it, right? You can't go up to someone and tell them, hey, yesterday I put, right? You need something. The first thing they're going to ask you is you put what, right? Or you put whom, right? And that is exactly what lay does. It answers the question, what or whom, okay? So, you need to tell people, all right? Again, lay down your arms, right? Lay down what? Okay, yesterday you laid what? Okay, you laid the baby to sleep, whatever, okay? Now, lie is an intransitive verb. It cannot take a direct object, no matter how hard you try. Okay? You cannot lie someone. Okay? You yourself lie down. So, what does an intransitive verb usually answer, if not what or whom? Typically, it answers questions like where, when, and how. Right? So, where did you lie down? I lay on the sofa. Okay? When did you lie down yesterday? I had lain at 5 p.m. when the phone rang, for instance. Okay? How did you lie down? I wish to lie down heavily. Right? See the difference? Okay? So that should be your second line of defense. To learn more about the SAT and the strategies you'll need to navigate the sometimes labyrinthian English part of the SAT, check out this address, team@haleeducation.com. That's TEAM at Hale, H-A-L-E, education.com.